healthy strawberry seedlings. Today I will guide you how to sow seeds from ripe strawberries. After putting soil in the nursery pot, we cut the strawberry seeds directly from the strawberry into the pot. And don't forget to cover the soil on top to help the strawberry seeds grow best. To provide enough nutrients for the strawberry seeds when they germinate, this time I used 100% fresh milk mixed with clean water and watered evenly over the germination pot. This helps keep the seeds moist for growth. After incubation, we leave the nursery pot in a cool place. It's great to see that the 9-day-old strawberry seeds have grown into healthy young plants, and we are ready to plant them in pots. This time I will choose to grow strawberries in 20-liter plastic buckets with automatic watering system and hung on the wall. I punched drainage holes in the plastic container to prevent the plant from getting waterlogged, and I used a plastic bottle for automatic watering. After finishing the pot, we used a 3-sided hook to hang the pot. We can combine an automatic plastic watering can with a water pipe to water the plants slowly and evenly, helping the plants not to get waterlogged. preparation for growing strawberries is always important. I use rice husk mixed with soil, stirring well to help loosen the soil and create longer-lasting nutrients. When we put soil in to plant trees, we only put enough so that when we take care of them, we can add more fertilizer and soil to help the trees become more stable. To help young plants grow well after planting, I use root stimulant mixed with clean water. Put it in a plastic bottle to slowly supply the young plants to grow. When the strawberry plant is 1 month old, it has grown well, is healthy, and has flowers. At this time, we need to fertilize and provide nutrients for the plant to produce fruit and prevent pests and diseases. To provide nutrients for the plants, I use chemical-free organic pellet fertilizer. This flowering stage is very important to stimulate the best growth of the plant. In addition to fertilizing, I also use honey mixed with clean water, put in a plastic bottle to provide moisture and nutrition for the strawberry plant. To help the plant grow, bear fruit, and prevent pests, I use garlic mixed with clean water and spray it evenly on the plant to help it bear fruit and achieve higher yields. And as I expected when the strawberry plant was 2 months old, the strawberry plant gave me big and beautiful ripe fruits. Now, I can harvest them to provide my family and relatives with delicious, clean strawberries. Thank you for visiting my video. Have a nice day.